Kahoot is an amazing tool that allows you to do a lot of different things. It allows you to do assessments in a non-threatening manner. It allows you to promote discussion among students, and it allows you to take polls and get instant feedback. I'm going to walk you through using Kahoot because I have actually been using it in my classroom for a couple of years, and I think it is a great Web 2.0 tool to help teachers and students really put some fun back into learning. To get started, you go to the website, which is Get Kahoot, and Kahoot is spelled Kahoot.com. Once you're there, click on Get My Free Account. Choose your role, teacher, and then fill in all of your account details. Once you've created your account, go ahead and sign in. And as you can see, I've been using Kahoot for a while, so I already have some statistics and things up here. A real quick view along the top. This purple button where it says New K, that's where you create a new Kahoot. My Kahoots are Kahoots that you've created, and they may be quizzes or surveys, and I have surveys and quizzes in mine. You have access to public Kahoots, so any Kahoots that teachers have published that they are sharing, you have access to. And this is really great because you can go into them. Say you find one that you like, or let's just pick a subject. So let's do science, and we want school. Let's do a search. Okay, anything related to science will come up. You can check out the quiz by clicking on the title, and it will take you into it, and you can see the questions, you can see the answers, you can see how many seconds they have, how many choices there are. If you decide you like this and hey, I'm going to use it, you can just click on play and run it in your classroom. Or say you've decided, hey, I really kind of like that, but I want to make a couple of changes. Maybe I want to give my students more time or less time. Go back out to the main page, and right next to it, see where it says duplicate? If you click on that, it will make a copy of it that you can then edit to your heart's content. When you have a Kahoot ready to play, all you have to do is go to your Kahoots and click on play. Now, Kahoot has an app, and if you are going to be using Kahoot in your classroom a lot, I would recommend that you download the app onto either the devices that you're using if you have tablets, or if you are using BYOD, bring your own device. Have the students download the Kahoot app. It is free. So once I go into it, I'll click on Launch, and that's going to give me a game pin. And I actually muted the audio on this. I'll open it up real quick so you can hear what this sounds like. And that will play as you're waiting for everybody to sign in. Now, just so you know, you do need to be able to project this screen where students can see it, because the questions and the answers are going to appear on your screen. So if you have an interactive whiteboard or a TV screen that you can attach a computer to, you need to have that at the front of the room that you can use to project this on. I've joined in. Now, as you can see, I've used my name. Now, the great thing about Kahoot is you can assign students, you can assign them colors, you can assign them animals, you can have them put a code, a letter of the alphabet, whatever you want. You could say, okay, student A, Kelsey, this is yours, and Jesse, this is yours, and Andy, this is yours, and have them sign in with that so that when you are doing this in front of the room, no students feel intimidated by the fact that their scores are going to be coming up and everybody's going to know who's winning and who's not winning. Now, of course, the kids are all going. The kid who's winning is showing his device to everybody saying, look, I won. Another great way to work around that, especially if you have maybe a lot of IEP students, or you have some very, very high skill and some very, very low skill, and you want to mix it up, you can also have your students do it in teams and give them one device per team and have them name their team. So it allows everybody to collaborate and participate and feel like they're doing well on it. Okay, so once I've got people in, I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Now. And in this particular one, this was just a survey. Now, what the students see on their screen is just the 4 colors. They don't actually see the words in it, they just see the colors. So this is very easy to use with all grade levels. Well, my phone petered out on me, but I can go through this and get to the end of it, tell it to end the survey now, and then I can download the results. So whether I do this as a quiz or I do this as a survey, I get an artifact that I can provide to my administration showing what is done, what has been done. Okay, and you can see that. I have a another one that I did earlier, but I messed up the video on it. But you can see we played there was a game, and you could see the results, total correct answers, and all of this. So that was a quiz that was done, and then this one was a. You can also see the ratings for it, the questions. And you can go through all the questions and see the results, the average speed and everything. So there's a lot of information that is provided by these, and it's done automatically for you. Now, creating a Kahoot, if you want to make your own, is actually very, very easy. Okay, you just click on the new Kahoot, decide if you want a quiz, a discussion, or a survey. And I'll just pull up we're going to title this discussion Pizza. And here's my question. Now, the great thing is when you're creating a Kahoot, you can add images into it, if you notice the little image, or I can even add videos. So if, say, I wanted the students to watch a video, or there's a video that I wanted attached to this, you know, a short video, and then they answer questions on it, you can do that. There's a lot of great things that you can do on here. It's very intuitive. It's very easy to use. It's kind of hard to screw up, and I recommend go in and play with it. Grab your phone beside you and try it out, and see if you like it. If you don't, you can delete it. If you do, you can use it in your classroom. But I would highly recommend using Kahoot as a Web 2.0 tool in the classroom, from grade levels all the way kindergarten through post-secondary education.